Excellent cooking fails. Last Saturday, my roommates and I decided we were tired of instant ramen and microwave burritos, so we made a pact to cook a real breakfast. My roommate Dave immediately volunteered, claiming he could make the perfect soft-boiled egg. Now, Dave's cooking skills are legendary, but mostly for the wrong reasons. He once tried to roast a salad. Still, he insisted he'd watched a YouTube video and read somewhere on Reddit that boiling an egg was foolproof. The first attempt started innocently enough. Dave set a timer, dropped the eggs in, and then realized he hadn't actually turned the stove on. Attempt 2, flames on, eggs in, but he forgot the water. Attempt 3, water, eggs, and heat, a promising start, except he used cold brew coffee instead of water because it was closer. By the fourth try, we noticed the eggs were multiplying. Turns out, Dave was so frazzled he'd started adding more eggs every time he failed, and by now, there were a dozen eggs bobbing around like bath toys. As the kitchen filled with steam and the scent of burnt, caffeinated eggs, Dave grew increasingly desperate. Attempt 5 ended with a geyser of egg whites shooting out of a cracked shell, splattering the ceiling. Attempt 6, he tried using the toaster oven, which only resulted in a steaky, eggy tray and something resembling abstract art on the wall. At this point, the kitchen looked less like a place for food and more like a modern art installation. Jackson Pollock would have been proud. Finally, after surveying the carnage, Dave sighed, popped some bread in the toaster, and declared breakfast ready. He slid the toast over to us, shrugged, and said with a grin, "Extraordinary effort, yolks."